Queeah. That sounds nice.
It's queer. That's the pronunciation.
I absolutely love queer people. And this year, for the first time, we are celebrating Pride's Month. According to the Google search I just did, queer means something strange or unusual. I'll show you. Wait. Baby, come on.
No, that's not. Yes, we can be divas, dipping in gorgeousness, or not. But most importantly, we are one of the most marginalized sections, and we are fighting really hard to get our existence acknowledged.
Seriously, why don't you tell me then? What is queer? Who is queer?
Well, queer is an umbrella term for sexual or gender minorities who do not identify as cisgender or heterosexuals. But somewhere I feel all of us are a little bit queer. We just do not know how to embrace it. For example,
So you're saying I'm queer? I'm not. Man, macho! I'm macho. Man, 100%. Man, who are you? You're gay.
Daddy, I want to be a queen.
Mukesh! He's weirder than most of us. Mukesh!
Oh, yeah, come in. I was just preparing for the meeting, yeah? Huh? Nice. Slap ass! That's how gay people find love. Break the spectrum.
you don't break spectrum.
Then we'll break your singlehood. Come on, we'll find you love. Come. Trust me, man. Come on.
We find love just like all you guys do. Maybe we stumble upon someone at a cafe or buy them a drink at a bar or at work. Then there are always apps.
You like this cafe?
It's alright.
The best thing about queer people is that they have a lot of sex. All day, all night long. All they're having is sex.
People tend to think that queers are more sexually active and explorative. They think that we are having sex with anything and anyone that we can lay our hands on. Gays, bisexuals, transsexuals, intersexuals, lesbians, goats, rabbits, electric sockets, shampoo bottles, the wormhole, the black hole. Since queers are more open to the idea of life and existence, so their experiences are more diverse than that of a cisgender person. But then there are always asexuals who do not engage in any sexual activity
Blah,
at all.
blah. It's dead boring, man. No one wants to hear that.
So I'm going to meet some friends after work. I'm going to help them design the Pride posters. It's this month. It's going to be exciting.
I know. Lipstick, earrings, heels, everything that makes you look good. Look good, live good. Queer life, baby. That's why I've got this makeup box.
No.
Best present ever.
No! Being able to dress differently is just the tip of an iceberg. I'm sorry, but 72 countries criminalize consensual sex acts between a couple of the same sex, in which 8 countries give them death sentence. Violence against us is rampant and they're bloody brutal. You know that, Mukesh. Do you? We have been shamed for being who we are ever since we realized. That's why the queer movement. That's why the pride. Are you okay?
I need a hug.
What?
I need a hug.
You need education, Mukesh.
After section 377, everything has changed. So I don't think it should have made me cry. But it's Pride Month, so I'm gonna be the bigger man as always. Pride Month, baby! Guys, come on! We're in the golden age now. Queer people are happy, things are nice and beautiful, like flowers and rainbows and Sundays. That's what it's like.
No, there's still a lot of phobia and we are still struggling to...
Ooh, beautiful life!
Hi guys, so this Pride Month, take a step towards learning about the LGBTQIA and learn how you can be an ally. Be a better human being. Don't be...
Mukesh!